Hey, ever tried searching something on Google and boom, SafeSearch blocks what you're actually looking for? Super annoying, right? Well, don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to turn that thing off in seconds. All right, let's keep it simple. First, open up your browser, Google Chrome or whatever you usually use. Now head over to google.com. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you'll see Settings. Tap on that, then choose Search Settings. Now here's the fun part. Look for the section called SafeSearch. By default, it's usually turned on. You'll see something like Filtering On. Tap that option and just switch it to off. That's it. No more annoying filters blocking your search results. Now go back to Google, try searching again, and enjoy the real internet unfiltered. And hey, if this little tip saved your day, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech hacks that actually make life easier. Catch you in the next one.